Welcome to my channel. I'm looking for a way to heat during a 24-hour power outage, a gas-free, electricity-free heating system. First, I'll use a clean, empty tin can. Make sure the can is clean. This will prevent unpleasant odors during heating and ensure clean air. Next, I'll make small holes in the can, as you can see. This will be more efficient and help us save fuel. Pay attention to the spacing of the holes I'm making. It's very important. Then, I'll use an iron rod to bend and create a small iron band. Which country are you watching this video from? Please comment to share your best method with me. I'm using an old pair of jeans. We'll cut them into 2 strips and wrap them around the iron band securely and evenly. Now, I'm going to use an empty can of strong glue. Cut off the lid and carefully follow my instructions. Then, create evenly spaced holes to make a truly effective heater. Okay, let's try assembling it and see how sturdy it is. Be sure to watch carefully. At least, we won't waste materials or time. I'm going to use another soda can. I'll cut off the middle section of it. Look, I'll cut it using the same can as before. This will be the core of the heater. My homemade heater is about 50% complete. I used 2 stainless steel clamps to connect the parts. In times of scarcity or emergency, I utilize everything around me. It helps me save money. I hope this inspires and helps you in a critical situation. Remember to comment and let me know if you have a better idea. I'm willing to listen and improve to best suit these harsh conditions. And here is the carbon fiber fabric the size of a tin can that I've prepared. I'm starting to put it inside the tin can we prepared earlier. I've filled the space to the height of the can. To ensure it works well, I'll insert the soda can section inside, then the lid. Are you interested? I've already dreamed about its practicality. Let's see what happens next. Hopefully, it will help me survive a winter day without gas or electricity. I add a moderate amount of denatured alcohol to stimulate combustion, then heat the denatured alcohol I just soaked with the carbon fiber fabric inside the can. Let's observe. You see, the flame burns strongly, spreading evenly from the holes, and is blue, indicating that the alcohol has been completely released. Now I can place a ball over that hole to seal it and prevent the alcohol gas from escaping, so the gas only comes out through the small hole. The machine works very efficiently and generates a lot of heat, burning for a long time. You should do this in a well-ventilated area to remove some unwanted substances during combustion. I was able to warm myself up right after completing this project. It didn't take much time and was very easy to do. Anyone can do it. However, always follow fire safety instructions and remember to leave comments so I can improve in future videos. I will continue to reward myself with a meal after a light workday using this very heater. It's powerful. I want to optimize production costs as well as heating costs, making it as economical as possible. More importantly, through this, I have the opportunity to interact and learn from everyone. I've gained a lot of knowledge from talented and skilled people. Now that the heating is done, I'll boil a cup of warm water for myself, rewarding myself with a relaxing cup of coffee after a long day at work. That's great. It helps me survive the winter without gas or electricity. It's more effective than I expected. How about you?